Unit 2, 1.1.
Z, z, z.
1.2.
S, z, s, z, s, z.
2.
Sue, zoo, bus, buzz, sip, zip, price, prize.
3. A,
Look at that zoo.
B,
Listen to that bus.
C,
Can I have a sip, please?
D,
It's a good prize.
4.
Is this a box?
No, it isn't. It's a house.
Is this a house?
Yes, it is.
It isn't a house. It's a box.
5. 1.
Is this a horse?
No, it isn't. It's a cat.
2.
Is this a hat?
No, it isn't. It's a plate.
3.
Is this a star?
No, it isn't. It's the sun.
4.
Is this a book?
Yes, it is.
5.
Is this a cup?
No, it isn't. It's a glass.
6.
Is this a spoon?
Yes, it is.
7.
Is this a box?
No, it isn't. It's a house.
6. 1.
These are flowers. And those are trees.
2.
These are boys. And those are girls.
3.
These are dogs. And those are cows.
4.
These are bicycles. And those are cars.
5.
These are doors. And those are windows.
6.
These are birds. And those are planes.
7.
Isn't. Sun. Pens. Is. Buzz. Bicycle. This. Flowers. Those. Bus. Boys. Listen.